Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Lecture number 7. Electric field intensity or show that E is equal to KQ divided by R square, which is a very important question, mostly in paper included in short question form. So what is electric field intensity? We can define electric field intensity in a simple way, that the strength of the electric field at any point is known as electric field intensity. But this definition is little bit complicated, or there is a confusion. So for this we define electric field intensity also as how? So for this, the force per unit positive test charge due to a source charge is known as electric field intensity. So we know about the source charge. What is source charge? Which contain n multiple of the charge of electrons. That is called source charge. So this is source charge, field created around a source charge. And for the electric field strength or intensity or electric field, we always take a test charge in order to test the field strength of the source charge. That's why we use it smaller, that the force of attraction or repulsion can be easily felt on the test charge due to a source charge, which may be positive or negative, but the test charge will be always positive. This is the location of positive test charge, source charge, and this is the location of the positive test charge. There is no force of repulsion on both test charge due to this source charge or on a source charge due to a test charge, because these charges are out of field, means at infinity from each other. Now if we applied force on this test charge and will move towards the source charge, then as the charges test charge enter to the field of this, and we leave this charge, let's suppose at this point we leave the charge here at this point, then due to repulsive force it will be repelled here in this direction. Why? Because repulsive force, Coulomb electrostatic repulsive force is applied. So this force which applied on the test charge due to a source charge is called electric field intensity at that point. Mathematically we can define electric field intensity as E represent electric field intensity in a vector form. There is arrow headed. This is equal to force on unit test charge due to the source charge. So the force is in vector form, E is in a vector form, because electric field intensity is a vector quantity. But we always in derivation use magnitude form. So the magnitude form of this equation will be E is equal to F by Q naught. We will remove the arrow headed. Now to derive this equation, we can use Coulomb law of electrostatic, that F is equal to K Q1 Q2 divided by R square. This is the magnitude of the source charge and this is the magnitude of the source test charge. So according to the Coulomb law of electrostatic, Q1 is equal to Q and Q2 is equal to Q naught. Here Q1 and Q2 are not present. Charges are plus Q and plus Q naught. So we will put these two values in equation number 1. So equation 1 become is equal to KQ divided by K Q Q naught divided by R square. This is equation number 3. We put it equation 2 B in equation 2, put in equation 2. Now it will become k q naught divided by r square. Now we will put this equation 3 in equation 1. In equation 1, where is equation 1? There is equation 1. Which value of which quantity will be put it? Here the value of the force will be put it from here into here. So the electric field intensity will become K, instead of force, q naught divided by r square, and q naught already exists because of definition. So q naught will be cancelled with a q naught, and the equation will become kq divided by r square. If we replace k by 1 over 4 pi epsilon naught, that this equation become as. This is the required result and called electric field intensity. Thank you. Have a nice